Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice and this channel is called Alice's Life, and as you can tell by today's title, this video is going to be a recent Boots haul. Okay, makeup wise, I purchased this sleek colour corrector. It's very orange and it's what I use under my eyes before adding another concealer. I don't know why, it's only got a few reviews online, but I think it's really good actually, because I've tried a few products. Anyway, this was $6.99 and my one I'm using now hasn't run out. This is just a backup. Then I purchased a new eye cream. So I purchased a Olay Retinol one earlier this year, but it was making my skin very flaky, so I need to use it less often. Oops. Yeah, so this one was £17, which is a little bit expensive, and I've read really bad things about the packaging. Apparently, when the pump stops working, you smash it open or something, and squeeze the packaging to get the last drops of liquid out for a few weeks. Yeah, but because Roche-Posay is good for sensitive skin, so I thought this would be a good thing to try under my eyes. So I'm getting a bit concerned about the anti-aging and getting old. And then staying on the same theme of anti-aging, I decided I'm going to actually buy a decent serum or something. But anyway, this was an impulse buy. So usually these are like £77 or £80 for the full-sized Estée Lauder bottle. This was £10, which is quite a lot because 7mm is only half a teaspoon. But there are a few people that have had bad experiences with this, so I wanted to test it out. And it's best to test on a small thing, even if this does work out as very expensive. Just because you don't want to have something that's going to make absolutely no difference or give you spots and things. So, I don't know, it's just a bit expensive, but probably prevention is better than cure if I'm going to get old and wrinkly. So this next one is a purchase also in relation to my dry skin patches, which was probably from Retinol. But you always hear good things about this in magazines and online and things. I have tried a bit on my hands and it just stinks, but I am going to properly use it because this one was £12. Yeah, so Weleda Skin Food. It's a staple for a lot of people, so I'll have a go. Toothpaste wise, I purchased this one. The dentist had been recommending me to use Sensodyne, but I decided to try this one because Sensodyne I've been using for a long time now. So this was £3.49. Yeah, whitening. See if it helps with the teeth staining and things. Okay, this is a random Lubricant. £10, I think. So it's from the Lovehoney range, which is now stocked at Boots. Okay, then the next purchase is a hairbrush. I've had this Tangle Teezer, this purple Tangle Teezer, for about 7 or 8 years now, and I'd say maybe 2/3, 75% of the spikes have actually snapped off, so they're very short and they're rough and scratchy. So I just thought it was time to actually buy a new hairbrush, and when I'm at the hairdressers, they often use the Tangle Teezers with the long handle. So I've used this a few times, and it's a bit tricky getting, well not tricky, a bit weird getting used to having a handle on a hairbrush after so many years, but I'm really enjoying it. So this was £12, and I like the colour. Hopefully it will last me a long time. No spikes have broken yet, which is good. It just feels so much smoother than the other one, which was all scratchy and harsh. And the last thing that I purchased from Boots was this St.Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. I had been looking at a few reviews, and I do currently use Bondi Sands for the rest of my body, but this one seemed to have better reviews, and I like the packaging. So I haven't worked out when I'm going to use it, probably in the mornings. Just spray. Okay, that's it. That was all that was in my Boots haul. Not only a few things, but it seemed to come to about £100 because toiletries seem to be quite expensive. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And bye!